Hi friends, it's Lindsay from Illy Creative, and today I'm going to show you how to create scrollable images in Squarespace. It's a great way to add a little extra personality and functionality to your site and has a fun, interactive element as well. I like to use scrollable images in portfolio pages, specifically on my own site where I showcase websites I've built in the past. So here's an example of that. This is a screenshot of the entire homepage of a website I designed. You can see that this is looking a little too long to be enjoyable. Your eyeballs don't really like it, at least mine don't. So instead of posting this monster, we're going to do something else instead. And this is what I mean by a scrollable image. It's still the same image as before, but instead of taking it all in at once, we are viewing it a little at a time through a window. And it mimics the feeling of scrolling through a real website, which is cool. You can also use this on things like tall infographics or any other long form image, or if you just want a little break from the norm as far as image layouts go. So it's a great trick to have up your sleeve. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to take to create and add a scrollable image using just a little bit of custom code. Don't worry, it's super simple. It's totally doable, even if you don't usually work with code. What's nice about this code is that you put the majority of it in the footer injection area, and then you can use it all throughout your site without having to recreate each step. So here we go. First, you're going to want to make sure that you've uploaded your image to Squarespace. So this is a screenshot that I took of that web page, and you can use an extension like Go Full Page to capture all of that and save it. So I have it uploaded here into my asset library, and I'm going to come back to this. But over here in this window, I just have a blank demo page. And so here's that image, and that's what it looks like. It's long and unattractive, so we're going to get rid of that. And instead, we're going to add a code element. I'm going to make it just a little bigger. And then I'm going to delete this and add this. And I will have this code for you to copy and paste below the video and also in the blog post that goes along with this. But you can see here, nothing's really happened. There's a broken image icon because we don't actually have this image loaded yet. We need to go back and put the URL of that image right here. Let's go back to the asset library. I'm just going to right click and copy this image address. And then right here in the code, we're going to replace that with the actual address. And there it is. Make sure you keep those quotation marks. But it's still this long image. We need one more piece of code for this to work. Let me grab that really quick. So here's that page again, open in the editor. And I'm under website tools. You come to the code injection area and come to the footer. And ignore all of this because this is just code I have for other things on my site. We're going to go ahead and add this new code underneath that. And hit save. And now we've created that scrollable image just like that. That's all it takes. So anywhere that you want to add a scrollable image, you would just go in and put in that same code, just like this, into a code box, and you can use it anywhere on your site. You don't have to do that step 2 with the long code in your footer area. So it's really nice. It's really simple. It's fun. I like the little interactive element of it, and I hope it works for you. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm always happy to help.